Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but if you try to download something from a Google Play Store, it's stuck on a pending in Hotwav Note 12. And to do this, here let's try to download basically any app, and when we click on install, as you can see, it's stuck on the pending and won't begin the actual download. Now let's cancel it, and here close the Google Play Store. Make sure to close it fully by shutting down the process in the apps view. Then we can go for settings, scroll all the way down and enter system. Here enter date and time and enable set time automatically. If we go back to our Google Play Store and try to find the same game or app that we had wanted to download, actually it was different app, this one. Now we can install it and the download should begin without any problem. Okay, let's cancel it and wait a few moments because the time needs to synchronize. Let's restart Google Play Store. And yeah, now it works fine. Just give it a few moments or try to restarting your Google Play Store multiple times and it should go back to normal. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.